Okay, so this is the Adobe Premiere Pro CS6 package, and what you can see here is the opening screen. The first thing you'll need to do is click on New Project. You can see here we have the New Project display box, and you have several different tabs to change information about the video that you're about to make. I'll go through these at a later stage. What we'll do is set up just a basic movie with the standard settings. So the first thing we're going to do is browse, and we're going to decide where we're going to save our video. I'm going to save it into my ICT folder, and I've already made a folder called My Movie. I've already saved in My Movie folder videos that I want to use and sound that I want to use. So I'm going to select this folder, and now it knows that everything to do with this particular movie is going to go into that folder. I'm going to give my movie a name. I'm going to call it the Streetly Academy, because my movie is going to be about the school and it's going to be advertising the school. I'm going to click OK at this point. I now have a new sequence box that's come up. Again, I have a range of tabs here where I can change settings on the tracks, I can put presets in, but just for today's example we're going to go and carry on with the basic settings. I'm again going to call it the Streetly Academy because this is what it will be saved as once I've actually exported it, and it will be saved in a different format, but it will be called the Streetly Academy if I change the sequence name. It'll take a few seconds to open up the screen. So this is a standard work area. I always like to go to Window, Workspace and reset the current workspace. I like to do that because once I've used Premiere Pro once, I may have set it slightly differently for a specific movie I was working on, and I might now want to go back to the standard workspace. So this is the workspace that you will see. In the top left hand corner you will see that you have an area where you can edit your movies. There aren't any clips in there at the moment because I haven't added any, but we can add effects and we can change mixing on any audio clips that we have put in. On the right hand side, this is where you'll view the movie that you're making. So once you've started making it, you'll be able to play it in this window and see how far you've got. In the bottom window here, in this right hand bottom, you can see that you have different video channels here, and you also have different audio channels here. And over here, probably the most important window at the moment for you is your project window and your media tab. So in the project window you'll see that at the moment I've called my project the Streetly Academy. But there's nothing in here at the moment. What I need to do is click on my media browser. I go to my N drive, and that's the drive that I have at school. I'm going to look for ICT because if you remember I said that I'd saved all my movie files into my ICT folder, and I've saved it in a folder called My Movie. And here you can see that already Adobe Premiere has made a folder where all this movie has been saved inside that My Movie folder. I also have different video clips. So the first one I'm going to pick up, I think, is a clip of the front of the school. So I think that's called Front Reception. So let's have a look. There it is, Front Reception. So I'm going to put that in first. And I'm also going to put my soundtrack in, which is just down here. There's my MP3. So now we already have a little bit of a video going on. I've also got a track of Mr. Downey, and I'm going to put that in there now. So we've got the start of our movie.